Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to check storage usage app-wise in Android. So you can check which apps is taking how much space in your phone. So look for the settings and click on that. Once you're here in the settings, look for anything which says apps and I have found it. And I'll click on that. Now, here we just need to click on see all apps. And here you will find all the apps related to. Now we just need to select all app here and it will show you the space, how much space all these apps are using. Now by any chance, if any app which is not necessary, you can simply remove it by simply clicking on that, uninstall, come back and look for another app to uninstall. If it's taking too much space, then you can uninstall it if you're not using it. All right. So this is how you can free up space and check which app is using how much space in your phone. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.